So welcome back again. So in this video of lesson number 9, the third video, we will be seeing insert uh, how to insert text boxes and formatting the text boxes. In the previous video, we have done up to moving and copying text objects that is in page number that is given in page number 89. So in this video, we're going to cover from page number 90, how to insert text boxes. So text boxes actually are those boxes where you can type some words, sentence. So those are called text boxes. So for typing in a slide, you need to enter a text box. So how you can insert or add text to a text box? First of all, you have to insert the text box. After text box has been inserted, then you have to add the text or type the text in the text box. So here it is, the dotted line is a text box and the text they have typed it here. Okay, so I hope you have understood this one. So I'm going to show you how to add text in a text box. Before that, we complete this section, then formatting a text box. So after the text box has been inserted, the text has been added to the text box, then you can do some formatting, that is some designing on the text box. So that you can do using the format tab after selecting the text box. Then formatting tools appears on the shape styles group, so like here given in the picture. So you select the style whatever you like, then you can apply that one and the selected style will be applied. Then comes last, deleting a text box. So you have added the text box, you can also delete also text box in the same manner you have deleted earlier the word art. In the same way, you have to just click on the border of the text box and then click on the delete key on the keyboard, like we have done in the previous video, how to delete the word art in the same manner. So first let us do how to insert text box and then add text to the box. So this is a slide number 1. So here we are going to add the text box. For that one, you have to go to the insert tab, then you'll under the text group you'll get the text box. So click on the text box. Where you want to add, you just click it, left click once. So this box appears, so you make it large enough, then you can type the text over here, whatever text you want to type. So I'll write here one line. So I've written here inserting and adding text in a text box. So this text has been added in the text box. Now if you want to do the formatting, click on the border, then you go to the format tab. You find format tab here. So in the format tab you find the shape styles group. From here you can select the styles, whatever style you want it. Okay, so select, done, style has been applied. So like this it looks. You can move it here and there a little bit. So text box has been inserted. So I think it is clear to all. So in the next section we'll go to the rearrangement part. So rearrangement, this is rearrangement. What is rearrangement? Rearrangement means moving the slides. Okay, there may be 10, 12, many slides in one presentation. So sometimes it is necessary to move slide number 1 to slide number 3 and the third slide to number 1. Okay, so this moving of the slide, it is not deleting, moving, that is called rearrangement. You can also delete the slides. Okay, you can make copy of the slides many things you can do in the rearrangement part. So basically here we are going to see how to rearrange slides. That means ordering of the slide. Slide number 1 goes to 3, 3 goes to 2, like this. So rearrangement can be done in outline view, in this outline tab, or slides tab. There is a slide shorter tab. There you can do rearrangement. So these are the ways to do rearrangement. So in the presentation here we have got 3 slides, one here, two here, and a third here. So I'll write here slide 2. So this one, slide 3. So what will basically what are we going to do? We will change the order of the slide. So let us for example, we will move this slide number 1, where it is written inserting and adding text in text boxes, to number 3. So many ways you can do. The first way, first select the slide in the slides tab. Okay, in the left pane you have the outline tab, you have the slides tab. Okay, you select the slides tab. After selecting slides, left click on it, and do not release the mouse button, then drag it down. You can see there is a horizontal line and the rectangular box under the cursor, if you notice it carefully. Now we are going to place it here. You can see the white line there. Now I will release the mouse. So you can see here it came to third. Number 1, it is not there. Now it is in number 3. So this is one way of doing it. We can do in the outline view also. Let us move this number 3 written, slide 3, to actually now in slide 1. So 3 will move to slide 1 in the outline view, not in the slides view, in the outline tab. So how we'll do this one? You have to just move the mouse over the number 2 slide, and you will notice there is a four-sided cross pointer. Now left click and do not release the mouse button. Left click and drag to where you want to place it. So I'm left clicking and then I'm dragging. So I'm moving it to number 1. Okay, so now I'll release the mouse. See, the order has been changed. 3 has gone to first. Earlier we have moved that 1 to third. Then there is another way, using the slide shorter view. It is given in your book, slide shorter view. So this is the order of the slide in outline view I have just shown. Then this is another way of rearrangement in slide shorter view. So how to do the slide shorter view? The steps are given there. Practically I'm going to show. So this is the view. So you'll find on the status bar a button called slide shorter. After that there is slide show button. This is a slide shorter button. As you can see, it is written there, slide shorter. You click it. So a thumbnail, okay, thumbnail pictures of the slide will appear. Now we are going to move the slide, any one slide, to suppose 3. This slide I'll move it to here, second position. So how we'll do this one? So if you select it, it becomes a rectangular colored box. So I'll select this one. So it is highlighted now. Now left click and drag, left click and drag. Do not release the mouse. Drag. So where do you want to place? Here or here? You can see the horizontal, this line here. That means now if you release it, it will come to second position. Released. Wait. So here. Okay, here is the line, release it, comes to second position. Now if you are going to move to the first, let us see. Yeah, now the line is